In this tutorial, we're going to go to Advanced Search and take a look for finding Braille items. I have CW and More selected, I'm typing in the keywords Braille, and I'm sorting to print books only. When we search that, we're going to look for items not just in the CW collection, but in the Orbis Cascade Alliance as well, which is a wider scope. By sorting to Braille under genre, that's going to be even more narrowed in scope and bring back books that are more likely to be in Braille rather than about Braille. Also, unchecking government documents, you could leave that checked if you do want government documents, but if you're looking for picture books or reading for fun titles or reading for children titles, removing that's going to be important and narrowing your scope. By selecting an item, I can then explore the record. I can see where Braille is showing up. In here, it's showing up in the description. It's explaining about the item that it's in Braille. I've got publisher information, and I can see that Braille Books is showing up as one of the genre items for this record. You can do that for as many of these items as you want to. Just scroll down, explore a little more, learn about the nature of the book or where Braille is showing up in the item itself. And that's helpful when you're selecting items and choosing what you want to request. These are saying check for available services in this case, and it's giving you that additional options and sign in, and you can get the item. So that's a way to request it from another library so that you could come pick it up. That's a little overview of finding Braille in the library collection.